90 days. Yes, you heard that right. 90 days is all that you need if you work smart, not just hard, to clear your OPRA examination on your very first attempt. Yes, OPRA examination that has 120 multiple choice question, completely computer based, no negative marking, lasts for 2.5 hours. You can clear this examination in just 90 days. This examination has a varied syllabus that has therapeutics and patient care, which almost comprises 45% of the paper, biomedical sciences, 20% of the paper, medicinal chemistry and pharmacokinetics, almost 20% of the paper, pharmacology and toxicology at 15%, and is conducted thrice in a year. March, July, and November. Now, if you're wondering how this strategy is designed, how it's going to work, then the very first month of this strategy focuses on therapeutics and patient care because it almost comprises half of the paper. It will build your therapeutics and clinical core. Study disease by disease. First, you need to focus on cardiovascular, respiratory, diabetes, infection, and so on. For each condition, understand the first line of drug. What is the mechanism, dose adjustment, and what can actually go wrong. You have to practice calculation-based mock questions on a daily basis. Here, your goal should be to target entire therapeutics in 30 days and practice 20 mock questions related to it every single day. This is going to boost your preparation to next level. Now, once your phase 1 of preparation is complete, we will move to phase 2. This will comprise the rest of the syllabus. This includes pharmacology, toxicology, biomedicinal sciences, medicinal chemistry, and so on. You cannot skip this part because all together comprises 55% of the paper. Study pharmacology drug class by drug class, tie every mechanism to its real clinical use. And for biomedical sciences, you can focus on pathophysiology. Understanding how a drug works on a disease is going to be super helpful while answering questions that are scenario based rather than answering just recall ones. Always remember, OPRA does not want to understand what you already know. OPRA is here to judge about your application of knowledge, how you understand the concepts, how you understand a disease, a condition, and do you understand the mechanism of a drug, how it impacts in a certain condition. See, almost 90% of the questions that you're going to face in this examinations are scored questions, which means you must answer these questions. Only 10% of the questions are those which are unscored calibration systems, but you won't understand which one are which. So you need to make sure that every question counts. I know this all can sound overwhelming, but still, elite expertise is there to help you. Many candidates have prepared with the help of elite expertise, and they have not just answered the question, but they have cleared their OPRA examination on your very first go. And that is possible because of our expert, clinical and consultant pharmacists who are the educators and directors of elite expertise, Arif sir and Harika ma'am. They both have many years of experience in helping overseas pharmacists clear their various pharmacy-related exams, and they have pioneered the OPRA examination. Currently, Elite Expertise is world's #1 OPRA coaching. Yes, you heard that right. Elite Expertise boasts almost 95% pass rate. This means if 100 candidates appear with the help of Elite Expertise for their OPRA examination, almost 95 clear their exams on your very first go. If you too want to know how you can get started, you can comment OPRA in the comments and our team will try to reach out to you to help you resolve your queries. This entire phase 2 is going to last for 30 days and there you will strengthen your weak areas. Next we have phase 3. This is the last month. Here you need not to just prepare but also test yourself and your understanding. Here you have to start a relay of multiple revisions and multiple mock test examination. You have to practice them simultaneously because this is the final stage and you cannot stay reluctant on your prior preparation. So here you need to take care of yourself as well because you have to think and act like an Australian pharmacist. And as always, if you're stuck in your preparation, you need some guidance, you need some help, Elite Expertise has always got your back. Just comment OPRA in the comments and our team is available 24/7 to guide you. So don't wait more. Comment now